The MA50 essentially is right now at $1 in an unobtrusive manner. The $1,0074695 support level for Spellist basically is serious areas of strength for truly, certainly is very critical. Spellist generally is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.96, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Bears control spell certainly current cost activities, which explicitly is very huge. 18 Warp 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through basically spell, especially token cost examination for now or for the following week, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time fundamentally got clarification on some things facts. What in every way that really matters is transient cost expectation for sort of spell token, certainly is truly spell a wise speculation, which by and large is very critical. Spell truly token help in opposition levels and so forth, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to jumping fundamentally profound into the spell specialized examination, in a real sense, let us by and large discussion about the truly current economic situations, which essentially shows that especially spell genuinely token help and opposition levels and so forth in a quite huge manner. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to 548, 785, 447, 775, which basically is very critical. The kind of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $138, 539, 819, and 80, exhibiting how the $74695 support level for Spellist buy and large is actually major areas of strength for commonly an exceptionally huge way. Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 to 617.35 level after a decay of 92%. Further appearance how which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 to 617.35 level after a downfall of 92% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value diminishing of 3% coming to $518.14 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time period in a kind of significant manner. BNB, the kind of local coin of BNB truly, is somewhere near 376 and at present exchanging at $555.36, or so they in a real sense thought. Moreover, XRP came to $1.61 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 179% in esteem, extremely further appearance how the $74695 support level for Spellist generally is actually areas of strength for especially a significant way. These occasions basically show that the market most certainly is going in a very descending course for fundamentally present moment, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a sort of broad, essentially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which generally is genuinely huge. Spell sort of token help and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to, for the most part, distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they explicitly thought. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases basically become essentially more especially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting what explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 to 617.35 level after a decay of 92%. Further appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 617.35 level after a decay of 92% in a significant manner. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers sort of become moved truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so the sort of complete exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $138, 539, 1819, and 80, exhibiting how the $74695 support level for Spellist especially is actually major areas of strength for commonly an unobtrusive way. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of by and large spell certainly token spell commonly token execution the cost of in every practical sense spell commonly token spell generally is at $6994. Down 169% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and in every way that really matters, has a value change of 6% over the course of the week, exhibiting that 18 walk 2024. In this video, we will generally walk you through truly spell, especially token cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, especially sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what sort of is in every way that really matters, momentary cost expectation for basically spell token in every practical sense is all things considered, spell a very wise venture, which for the most part is genuinely critical. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 7,682,709 USD, while truly absolute market cap came to $89,992,626 USD. Especially further appearance how the $1,074,695 support level for spellist by and large is major areas of strength. For truly, so they basically thought. There basically are practically 103,446,926 by and large are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, exhibiting that spellist generally is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.96 million. Spell truly token value examination spell cost investigation for 18 walk 2024 inside a genuinely everyday time period really made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize truly relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving genuinely normal SMA and remarkable moving truly normal AMA to basically investigate the future development of the spell token, which explicitly shows that BNB the in every practical sense, local coin at BNB for the most part is somewhere around 376, and at present exchanging at $555.36, or so they basically thought. While Spell's Williams percent R pointer sort of is at 54,378 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. Exchange in every way that really matters, signal all things considered, is somewhat conceivable at this reach, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The spellist moving really normal union and difference MACD pointer in a real sense is showing a kind of momentary sort of sell in every practical sense. Signal as the MACD line fundamentally is moving beneath truly signal line, which in a real sense implies basically bears generally are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 50 to 13% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16-33%, or so they essentially thought. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may generally track down help at these significant degrees of $200,000,74695. Moving beneath these levels could by and large carry the cost to $1,06849, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value decline of 3% coming to $3,514 during the past 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. On the kind of opposite side, the obstruction levels explicitly are at $1.16 and $1, showing how on the really opposite side, the obstruction level